Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to my channel today. I do appreciate you guys taking up your time to just come on and watch and see the services that I have to offer through my gift that I received from God in doing hair. I appreciate you guys again for tuning in, and we're going to go straight into the video I have for you today. Yeah, it's a brief video just to show you the hair that we're going to be working with today. My customer did go ahead and got her hair customized, and it's bleached to a color number 27, and the tip is a natural brown color. I love the hair already. So next we have here is the base of what the beginning of stages of the locks extension is going to look like. So first you're going to get the tip of the hair and you're going to tease it back. Here's a view of what the locks extension looks like again, just if you missed it in the previous video. The needle that I'm using today is a double hook, and it's a 0.5 in size, and that is my favorite. It's my preference to use that particular needle or crochet hook. Next, you're going to take the beginning of your locks and you're going to take the beginning tip of your client's hair, and you're going to now tuck it under or fold the beginning of the locks over that hair. Make sure it's tucking very well, and then you go in and start doing your crochet. So you're going to hold the crochet needle away from you. So where the hook is curved at the tip is what you're going to point in the opposite direction of you, and then you begin to crochet. Crochet is basically done through like feelings, and sometimes you can even close your eyes to really feel the hair basically getting tangled as you're going through the process of crocheting it. You don't want to pull the hair, you don't want to yank it through. You're just going through very gently and just going in and tangling up that hair with the crochet needle. This process is, I wouldn't say it's tedious, but it does require, time and patience for you to be able to achieve a clean look for locks extensions, because that's the whole goal, is for the extensions to be done so well that people cannot tell that your customer have locks extensions. It should look like it's their natural hair that's growing from their roots. So here I'm just going through the motion. I know that the camera was positioned very poorly, and I'm still learning the process of all of this. But here I'm just going through and crocheting the hair, and making sure that, they're all combining together to look as one and as neat as possible. And as you can see, after I did that, I went through and palm rolled the hair. And you can't even tell that this client has extensions. Next, we're going to go into the finished work. Here is all of the extensions that have been attached to my client's hair. It looks great. She was absolutely pleased with her hair before I even did her root retwist and put it in a style. She was excited for how it turned out. And here's a video of the final finished work. I did do just a little quick style just to make it look neater. She was tired of sitting. I was tired of of the day already. It was a long day for the both of us, but overall she was very, very pleased with her hair, and I was pleased too. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Wishing you all a blessed and awesome journey in life. Bye-bye.